I'm insecure in my own beliefs, then I am very hesitant to have them challenged or to have them opened up to a conversation. I would much rather not have holes poked in it and just keep it to myself and not be in conversation with anyone, and that can lead to a very standoffish type of behavior. The Quran calls on Muslims to reach out to Christians and to say, 𝗟𝗓𝗞𝗘 and 𝗖𝗢𝘀, come to a common word between us and you, that we worship none but God, and then build from there. The Quran actually calls us to call with that commonality first and to start from the commonality. If your beliefs are making you standoffish towards people that don't share your beliefs, that says a lot about your faith and your character. In Islam, those are the two main things that make up a person. The Prophet, peace be upon him, he said, if someone comes to you with faith and character, don't turn that person away. And so the character is the manifestation of the faith.
Right.
And one of the Muslim sages described it as, if a spoon tastes good, you know that the rest of the food is good. So he said the tongue to the heart is that, and most of character is manifested through tongue, through the way you talk to people. And so if we can't talk to people in a loving way, in a beautiful way, then that means that that we're in shambles on the inside, and that there's something on the inside that's wrong. And, we made a conscious decision with Faith for Dallas to call it a multi-faith coalition, because we didn't want people to feel like they'd have to lose some of their faith to come to the table with people of other faiths. You're not going to be asked to pray to someone else's liturgy or to forsake your own creed or to do something that's very uncomfortable. The only discomfort will be in letting go the apprehension that you have of speaking to someone that doesn't share your faith. Not in compromising your faith itself, but in compromising yourself by making yourself vulnerable enough to sit with other people, because we need that right now.
Anything that we might have as critique or criticism, we met it with great hope and love, and that's where we come together best, is when hope and love intertwine, and we saw it here in this place.
Yeah, it was great until you had Evan push me off the balcony, and that was kind of that was fourth week. We got through 3 weeks without violence.
Now that didn't happen.
Okay.
That didn't happen, but it does.
Shout out to Evan, because I took his parking spot too. So.
That's right. Yeah.